Oh, let me turn the light on. Hi, Jules and Gems. So I literally just thought about doing this like while I was like rushing to the room. So I'm currently cooking and I am in the process of still kind of learning how to cook, but I kind of know how to cook. But I just don't be knowing like what to season with. So like that's my biggest problem, like knowing which seasonings and how much to season. But like, okay, after I do it, I can cook it. But like I know how to clean and cut off fat and stuff like that, but I just always get scared when it comes to seasoning because if you don't season right, it don't taste good. So that's my biggest problem with me cooking. So, anyways, just got the phone with my mom and I'm cooking fish and fries for my godbrothers. They're currently at soccer practice, and I'm trying to cook something like really quick that they're gonna. They already told me 1 out of 3 said they're not gonna eat it, but they always do that. I'm not gonna eat it, and then they see you eating it, and then they want it. So I'm cooking it now because they've been gone for 2 hours now. I think their practice is over like at 8:30, so they'll probably be home right when I'm like finishing letting it cool off. No long talking. Let's get this party on the rocket. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. Be right back. So right now my oven's on 350. This stove is very hot, and it's not even one of the stoves with the like you can see what kind of stove it is. Anyways, so I'm gonna open it real quick. So the fish, it's right there. It looks really bland on this side because I just flipped it and all the seasoning is at the bottom of the tray, but the fries are white as heck right now. But I just started. I look like so messy in here. I literally just started. But it's fine because that means I can actually show you guys when it's done, when it first gets out the oven, and hopefully their reaction if they're not too bratty. But we'll be back. Back to Nailed It. Gonna watch some more bad cooking shows so I can relate to somebody. Okay, so we're back. And it's been like 40 minutes. And this is what I have so far, guys. Nailed it. They're not getting crispy. Like, they've been in here for like 45 minutes, maybe going on an hour. I watched 2 episodes of Nailed It, and those are 30 minutes, 33 minutes each, and still not crispy. So I think I'll just settle with like, I've taken a few of like the smaller pieces and tasted it, and it tastes cooked on the inside. It doesn't taste mushy. It just doesn't have that hardened little glow about itself. So we're gonna leave it like that, and plus I don't think the boys are gonna want it hard, which is perfect for me. And then this is our fish. I don't know if that looks good. I moved all the extra, like I don't eat onions and stuff like that, so all the juices and herbs and stuff I use to season and saute the bottom of the pan, I just push to the side. And this is the testing fish that I keep breaking apart eating off of, but it looks okay. It looks all right. I tasted it. Cut out the video. But I tasted it, and it tastes. I put too much lemon pepper. Oh, too much lemon pepper in it because now it tastes like it tastes this taste. Come on, boy. Come on. It tastes a lot like the lemon that I had it sitting in to remove the fish smell and the fish taste. It tastes like the lemon, and I think it's because I used so much heavy lemon pepper on it to like kind of brought that taste back. So I did put some onion powder, some garlic powder, and I tried to dilute that taste, but it's still like kind of strong. So what I'm gonna actually do is the weirdest stuff. Something so weird that I've never, ever tried a day in my life. But I love Cajun ranch and lemon pepper, and I think it's so. It sounds disgusting to say that you're gonna put ranch on your fish, but I'm gonna put like a little small cup on the side of ranch, and I'm gonna dip my fish in it to see if it tastes good that way to make up for how much lemon pepper is on the fish. And see how that goes, because that was my biggest thing. I always put too much or too little of seasoning, and that's why I struggle with. So I get scared to cook because I don't like want to fuck up everybody else's taste buds. But we're gonna try this experiment, and I'm gonna get back to Nailed It because the boys are still not home. So bye.